To do wholesale deals, do you need an LLC?
No, you can wholesale in your name. It's not preferable. I wholesale in the LLC just because of the tax benefits that I can take.
I'm just saying, just as starting out and working on opening the wholesale, I mean, opening the LLC. If I was to get a deal between that time and not have an LLC, would I be fine?
So, not being a tax attorney or a CPA, because this is being recorded, I think, and somebody here can correct me if I'm wrong. I think that you can like start wholesaling, and then anything that you're gonna write off, you can write it off forward date of the LLC. So like let's say you spend $1,000 in January and you started the LLC in February. I think you can forward those deductions to the LLC once it's created. Because I know people can like deduct the amount for the LLC to get created. So yes, you can. You might just be taxed different on those first couple of deals you do.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you're doing it. If you do it without an LLC, you will be taxed as a sole proprietor.
Yeah.
But once you create your LLC, there might be other things that you have a little bit more of a protection. Then you have your LLC. With the LLC, you have to choose if you want to pay, if you want to set the taxes up as an S corp, so that you're taxed that way, or as a regular LLC, which means that you'll pay self-employment tax.
Correct.
Okay. When I know you guys had mentioned a while back of website to create an LLC, or does that
Ink
website work
file.
for everywhere, or would I just search somewhere? How would I go about starting an LLC?
Inkfile.com. Diego, do you have our link that he can use?
Yeah, I'm looking for it right now.
Hold on, Joshua. We got a link that we can give you.
I got a question too about that LLC that you guys are talking about.
What's up?
To create an LLC, do you think paying somebody like $400 is too much?
To create an LLC, or to set up a couple of things?
To create the LLC, because I was speaking to a like CPA, and then he was gonna get like my taxes and everything like filed, and then help me get everything like structured, and then they can do the like create an LLC, but they charge I think like $400. So I mean, I was trying to set it up by myself, but honestly I got kind of confused because it was like kind of convoluted everything. But then I looked around and I didn't think 400 was that bad, but I don't know, based off what you guys, like your experience.
Would they be able to also include like the EIN number and a few other things like that?
I gotta double check with the EIN number for that's like that number you'd use to go to the bank to like open up like a business, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think, and I don't think it included that, like I forgot the name of it, but like for when you want to hide like your address,
Mm-hmm.
you use like another like place of business or something.
Got it. Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't think that was included.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Because right now, for example, in 2015, I was doing, there were some stuff that I did on my own, and I'm in the middle of the 1031 exchange now, and because I did it early on without knowing what I was doing, now they're asking me, it's like, hey, why did you form the LLC as member managed, but now it's just members? And so like at closing, I'm gonna sign a couple of things, and the attorney even asked me, it's like, did you just do it on yourself, like by yourself, not knowing what you were doing? Because your operating agreement doesn't match your certificate of formation and all this.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, I had no idea. He's like, all right, cool. We're gonna fix it on paper. So yeah, I would say try to do it right.
Okay. It might be worth the money then to set it up
Yeah.
properly.
Yeah, because now I'm probably gonna pay an attorney like $250 for a freaking document that just says, "Hey, this LLC is whatever, whatever."
Okay. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
And I did mine on ink file and I paid $350 and they set up everything for me. You just put the state and they make sure everything is legit the way it should go. And then what I did is I opened up my business bank account with Chase And after 2 months, they gave me $300 bonus. So basically, I did the LLC for $50.
Let's go.
There you go. See, I was thinking that route, but then he was like, if you have any, if I set it up through InkFile, if I have any like tax related questions about like the LLC or whatever, he can't answer those questions. He's gonna refer me to the person who got it like set up. So I don't know if InkFile is like a general customer service.
Well, for the 350, yeah, that's like, so there's a cheap package, is like $200. I took the middle package, which is 350, and it includes, they give you a call, so you can run down any like legal questions you have. And they also set you up with like a bank to set up your business bank account if you choose to do it with them.
Okay.
Angel, get David's phone number. You guys should have a conversation just so you feel more comfortable.
For sure. Yeah. I'm a personal send you a personal message, baby.